Why did the golden goblet make everyone sneeze? Once upon a time, there was a shiny golden goblet that everyone wanted to drink from. But every time someone took a sip, they would sneeze loudly. People thought it was a curse. They tried everything to stop the sneezing, like wearing funny hats or hopping on one foot. But nothing worked. Then, a clever little mouse discovered the truth. The goblet was filled with sneezing powder. Everyone laughed and decided to use the goblet for fun parties instead. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun stories.